Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can track changes in Google Docs. So when you're sharing your Google Docs with basically multiple people and you want to see which person is basically changing things in the document, then here's how you can do that. So first of all, what you need to do is open your document. And then right here we can immediately see changes me and my colleagues have been making over on this document, as you guys can see. Now you are probably not seeing this because you still need to enable that. And in order to enable that, what you need to do is head over to the top right corner of your screen, and right here you will find editing, as you guys can see. And you need to change it from editing to suggestions. And when you do that, every time you type something new, it will be seen as a suggestion. So let's say that I start typing something right here. You will notice that right here it will start a new suggestion, and it will only be changed after you click on the check mark. We can also see right here I have another one, and another one. However, this one is of a different account. This is my second account I used for this example, and we can see that on my second account I wanted to remove this piece of text with this piece of text, and I can actually allow this or disallow this. So for example, when I allow this, then this will be permanent. However, when I don't allow this, basically it will just be back to normal, and that's basically how you can see and track changes, and you can basically see what your colleagues are basically typing within the document. And all you need to do in order to see that is make sure to click on suggestions right here, and then of course share the document, and then you will literally be able to see which person what is typing. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.